Nā Carol Ngawati rāwatahi ko tana hoa tāne ko Jera te kaupapa o Māori Touch I whakakite. Hei tā rāua e hara I te wikine o te pā anake. Engari he āheinga ki te whakanui te tuakiri, ki te tūhono, ki te ahurea, ki te whakakotahi I te whānau. I whānau mai tēnei kaupapa I te hehia kia tahuri te ahurea o te pā, I te pāti ki tētahi mea whaimana.
We wanted to change the culture, mainly because around the alcohol and stuff. So when we decided to hold a hui, and about 40 people turned up, and there were people like us who wanted to do something better through the game for Māori. What would it be like if we had a Māori tournament? And everything that people wanted on the wish list is what created the kaupapa. You know, people wanted us to be the best in the world. Others wanted us to make sure that there was forums for te reo, and others wanted us to be healthy. And so that's what formed the kaupapa of Māori Touch. And then at the hui, we put a po in the ground and said, well, we're going to not just talk about it, we're going to have a tournament. Lots of people said people won't come because we'd set that very staunch kaupapa around alcohol-free, smoke-free. But we got 54 teams on the first tournament, and one team travelled for 3 days from the bottom of the South Island. Yeah, so we knew from that first tournament this is what people wanted.